Hello students, this is Professor Ganesh from Department of Mechatronics Engineering, Theoretical College of Engineering. I'm here to handle module number 2 in Printed Circuit Board Design course. Welcome. So any PCB design software is used to create schematics or layouts of any electronic circuits. So this is a schematic which you can see, which has many ports, capacitors, diodes, ground, with a microcontroller and supplies. Here you can see a layout of the microcontroller with some resistors, some many pins which are in different colors. So this is a schematic, and the right side image is a layout. So in this course we will see how to uh, design these two for any electronic circuits. In our course we have some electronic circuits, predominant electronic circuits. We'll see how we can do those. These are the categories of PCB designing tools: open source PCB design tools, professional or industry grade tools, beginner friendly tools, and cloud based PCB design tools. So open source PCB design softwares, these are some of the open source softwares, which is KiCad, GEDA, FritzSync, and free PCBs. So these are predominantly chosen by students, researchers, and hobbyists to start with PCB designs. These are the logos of these softwares. This is professional PCB designing softwares. So once you are well versed in PCB, you can start with professional PCBs, which is almost similar to the open source software with some proprietary options. So some of the designing softwares are Altium Designer, Cadence, OrCAD, Algero, Mentor graphics pads, and Autodesk Eagle. So these are used in large scale in the electronic industries, and these are the logos of that which you can find in internet. So these are beginner friendly PCB softwares, which is KiCad, ECEDA, FritzSync, and Autodesk Eagle. These have some of the simple interfaces which you can almost it's very what to say, user friendly for any circuit branch students or non-circuit branch students to learn PCB designs. That's why these are categorized into beginner friendly PCB softwares. These are cloud-based PCB design tools, which is ECEDA, Aperture, Circuit Maker. These allow online collaboration with some colleagues in remote areas, and these promotes teamwork. Okay, so these are the logos of these companies. These are the key features of any PCB design softwares: schematic capture, PCB layout editor, auto routing, design rule checking, 3D visualization, and Gerber file generations. So in conclusion, PCB designing software is essential for any modern electronic development. So in projects we have seen students do electronic circuits with breadboards, which are very clumsy. You may see many wires going here and there to connect various parts of the circuits, but they can be converted into PCBs, which are very compact and which are very professional. So for that, different tools we have seen in this lecture: open source tool, which is commonly used in education, professional tools for industrial product development, and cloud-based for remote teams. So thank you. We'll see in the next lecture.